Hi, this is Thomas from returnsforsale.com, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how to install the Returns for Sale widget to your Shopify product page. The widget is easy to set up and will take you about 2 to 5 minutes depending on your level of experience. For the setup to work, you will need to have the Returns for Sale app installed on your Shopify site. To check your work, you will need to have created a drip in the Returns for Sale app. If you still need to complete these steps, please see our app installation and drip creation tutorial videos. To install the widget, we will paste the following piece of code into your product template. From your Shopify admin screen, you will need to navigate to Online Store and select Themes. Then click Actions and select Edit Code. From here, you will need to find your product template. This can be different between themes. In this theme, it is located under Snippets and is called product.liquid. You can place the widget in any location you want, but in this tutorial, we will place the widget below the social icon buttons. In this theme, they are located here. Paste the code after the section's closing div tag, then hit Save. Once saved, navigate to a product with an active drip. If the widget is installed correctly, it will appear on the product page. Clicking on the widget takes you to the Return for Sale, which has its own widget. So that's it. Your widget should be installed correctly. If you need further help, please check out our how-to videos or contact support@returnsforsale.com.